Alright, this is a cb550k 1978. These are pd46c carbs. Everyone complains that it's hard to raise the needle, and I have yet to find a video tutorial on how to raise the needle. So I thought I'd make my own because I just successfully changed the needle on 2 of these, and I'm going on the 3rd. So you gotta take the top off, obviously. Set the screws aside. You have to take the set screw out here. That holds it in place. Now these screws are small and you can strip them out, so you want to be, these take the Japanese standard size screw. And so I don't have any of that. So what I did was I ground off the tip of this screwdriver, and now it fits better because of the way the Japanese ones are designed. So now you see these 2 screws in the bottom. You have to take those out. So this part is the hardest part of the whole procedure. I thought it was daunting at first, but it is actually a lot easier than I thought. So after you do that, I'm gonna try to get this other screw back here out. I'm gonna need a skinnier screwdriver, so I'm gonna try this one. And I was able to get it. That's great. So once you take these 2 screws out, and be sure to use a magnetic screwdriver, obviously, because you won't be able to reach your fingers in there. And this whole piece will come out. And just set this aside, and you can pull out the slide and the needle. Now the raised side is going forward towards the carb, and the needle comes out just like so. And now you just need to raise the needle. Ina, can you come hold it, please? Alright, so now take your pliers, and I want to move it down a notch so I can get more gas. I got it. I'm going to move it down 1, 2, 3 to the 3rd slot. And I want to make sure it's straight and in there all the way. It looks like it is. I heard a click, a snap. That meant it went in all the way. So I'm satisfied with that. So what we'll do, strap it back down into the slide. Make sure it looks, yes, that looks like it's in all the way. And now we're gonna drop the slide back down here. And now we need to put this down, and I'm gonna try to get these screws in without taking this off. I did it the last time, and I think I can do it this time. So I'm gonna drop it down all the way, and now find a screw. And here, you know, I need to get down there. Oh, very carefully. There we go. Alright, I started that one, and now what happened on the other one is you don't want to get it all the way down and tighten it until both screws are in. It's just easier. Alright, I got both screws started. You want them tight, but you know, don't torque them down. There we go. Alright, that's tight enough. Let's see. Yeah, pretty tight. Alright, that's good. Now put the set screw back in. Yeah. Put the set screw in. Just gonna take out this hair that I see in there. That's no good. This is why you don't do this in your kitchen. And then put the cap back on. And you are done. Do the other three just like it. The second one is the easiest because there's not a bunch of junk in the way. It's the standard one. It's the one that you don't need to tune, and I don't think I'm even gonna need to, I'll probably have to retune it, but that's it. That is how you raise the needle in your pd46c carbs and your cb550. What do you think, Ina?
Genius idea. And great job.
All right.